this is Michael Beach with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. We're going to do a series of videos for you on one of my favorite topics, sales. I'm a business coach and have been for a number of years, and I run into an awful lot of companies that are trying very hard to grow their business. And so they add salespeople and they hope and expect that those salespeople are going to go out and generate revenues and margins and drive profits to their business. But it's not as easy as just going and hiring an experienced sales rep. Sales is a very challenging profession, and hence the reason for this series of videos on sales. So I'm going to give you some of my core principles that make a sales rep effective. First one is this. If you're going to go out and engage with a customer or a prospect on a sales campaign, you want to increase your chances of success. And the best way I know of to start that process is with some really solid research that's going to lead to you being able to put the right solution in front of that customer or prospect with a dynamite business case that's going to make them very, very strongly motivated to give you the yes that you're looking for. So along the way, your sales campaign has to build credibility. The best way I know of to build credibility with a prospect or even an existing customer is to show them how much you know about their industry and to demonstrate how much value you can add as you sell to them. One of the things I recommend you do is go study everything you can about them on their website. Find out who they've hired recently, find out what kinds of positions they're hiring for, find out what their last couple of quarterly results announcements were like for Wall Street, those types of things. More knowledge is better in every case. So start with some great research and learn everything you can about your customer or your prospect. You want to, along the way, learn all of the important facts and the key drivers that are making their business the way it is right now, and you'll get a good sense of where they want to go. Okay? Finally, as you're going to start your sales campaign, I recommend this. Position yourself correctly. The best way I know of to position yourself is as a person who is joining their team. Explain that as a sales rep, you don't want to just sell them things. You want to provide solutions that are going to help them to achieve all of their goals and their objectives. And the best way to get that point across is to tell them to start acting like you're a member of their team. Okay, that's the news from Prior Lake, Minnesota today. This is Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting, where we pride ourselves on helping our clients to deliver ambitious results. See you next time.